Hello dear students, I hope all of you are keeping fine, and you might have gone through the previous videos and you have understood the previous topics that we have discussed. So I would like to remind you briefly that we are in the process of learning about the latitude and longitude, different kinds of latitude and longitudes, their uses, etc. I hope you are all reading from your book and you are able to understand. Whichever you do not understand, you please try to mark them aside and ask me in the classes wherever it is, wherever you get a chance. Anyway, now today we will discuss about how to find out the time looking at the longitudes. So the examples are given here. You can go through the example. I will try to explain you how this is solved. So please listen carefully, and it is very important part of your study because ascertaining time or finding out the time depending upon the longitude, from one longitude to another longitude, from one country to another country, how the time is differing, all this knowledge should be there with all the learned people. So you must take care to learn about this one, how to find out the time. It's an important part of your study, so don't neglect. So all of you please try to go through and try to know about it. So in the example it is given that one news is broadcasted from Montreal and it is heard at 5:30 p.m. in India. So it is asked to find out the time at Montreal. Montreal is in Canada, I think all of you know. Then it is given here in solution part. It is given it is 74 degree west longitude. So time in India is 17 hours. That is 5:30 p.m. means in 24 hours time format. If you see, that become 17:30 hours. 17 hours and 30 minutes. That is okay. Then because India is ahead of GMT by 5 hours 30 minutes. So you can see here this symbol, all of you know, this is because, okay. Therefore, time at Greenwich is 12 hours noon. Then Montreal time difference with respect to GMT will be 296 minutes. How this 296 minutes came? All of you know, Montreal is towards the west of this Greenwich and about 74 degree west longitude. So for 1 degree longitude, 4-minute time difference is there. For 74 degree longitude, it become 296 minutes. And 296 minutes, if you divide this 296 minutes by 60, then you will get 4 hours 56 minutes. So this making the division of this minute into, converting the minute into hour is a special technique. I think all of you know about that one. So you please try to learn about that one. You have to divide the 296 by 60, and you have to divide whatever reminders are left, that is less than 60, that will be the remaining minutes. So you cannot add up or you cannot make decimal divisions in this way. So whatever is left after the full number of 60s, you can get full 60s are 4, and that 56 is left here. So like that way, the 56 is a remaining minutes. So 4 hours 50 minutes, 56 minutes. I think you can do it, learn it, how to convert that minutes into hour. Next, Montreal is to the west of GMT. Its time is 12 hours minus 4 hours 56 minutes. Why this 12 hours minus 4 hours 56 minutes? You know that in the Greenwich it is 12 hours by that time, and that is why it is towards the west of this Greenwich. Montreal is towards the west of Greenwich, so it has a backward time. It has a later time. So it must be less than this 12 hours. That's why it is deducted from here. So you can find out, and I think all of you know how to add the time and how to subtract the time from that given one. So if you don't know, please try to learn it properly, and if you still do not know, do not able to do it, you may please consult me in the classes so that I can help you to show you. Next one. This is one way of doing that one. So you can see, you have to find out the time of the Greenwich first. Later on, you have to find out the time of this west longitude, that is the Montreal's longitude, how much time it will be. So by that time at Greenwich it is 12 noon, so 12 hours, 12 noon. So that is 4 hours 56 minutes backside, later than this 12 hours. That means you have to deduct that one from this 12 hours and it is obtained. Now another way of solving that problem is given here. You can directly find out the latitude and longitudinal values, and you have to find out the total number of meridians in between the two places, and later on you have to multiply that one. How you will do that one, I will try to show you through a diagram. You please look at here. You can, it is always safe to draw a diagram like this way. You see, this is 0 degree meridian. I have made it 0, 0, 0 degree, and you know our India is located towards 82 half degree east meridian. Our Indian standard time is 82 half degree east meridian. So, and your Montreal is 74 degree west meridian of this Greenwich. This is prime meridian is this one, and from there it is towards the west side and it is towards the eastern side. So it is given, time is given in India, it was 5:30 p.m. It was 5:30 p.m. was there. Okay, anyway, so you have to find out the total number of longitude in between this this Montreal to this Indian standard time or standard meridian. So how many longitudes are there altogether? Here it is 82 half degree longitudes are there in between, and here 74 degree longitudes are there in between. So 74 plus 82 half, it will come. You have to add up this one in order to find the total number of longitudes in between the two places. So I hope you can do, and in the same way it is done here. You please look at here. It said it is here. So 82 half degree plus 74 west 74 degree, it is coming 156 degree. Then 156 56 half degree meridian is the meridian difference, longitudinal difference. Now for every one meridian 4-minute time difference is there, and similarly for 156 half degree meridian it is becoming 626 minute, and how it is 626 minute, 156 into 4, 156 half degree into 4 it is. How you have to do this one, you please try to look at here. So I am trying to show you here. So first what you will do, for 156 full meridians you have to calculate the time first. You can find out the time. So then later on again what you can do, for the half degree also you can make half into 4 and you will get a 2-minute time there. So whatever that you get here plus this one together you will get the value. Then you can see it has become, how much it is? It become 626 minutes. So if you call, yes, 626 minutes. If you calculate, it is 624. It will come. If you calculate here, it will come 624 and plus this 2. So altogether 626 minutes will come. So this 626 minutes equal to how many hours and how many minutes that you have to convert that one, that minute into this hour and minute again. So if you divide that 626 by 60, then you will get 10 full 60s and this 26 minute left. So the remainder whatever that becomes the minute. So I hope all of you are understanding. Please try to do it practically, then only it is possible for you. Then let us see, Montreal is towards the west of Delhi. Therefore, time difference will be deducted. That is 17 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 17 hour 30 minutes minus this 10 hour 26 minutes. That become 7:04 a.m. in the Montreal. So whatever that value comes, you can easily find out this one. So the Prime Minister made his broadcast at 7:04 a.m. from Montreal, which was received at 5:30 p.m. in India. So this is how to find out the time and how to know about the time of different longitudes. So all these are explained here, and you can see a problem part here in your page number 23, I think. Yeah, this page number 23. You can see some of the problem related to the time and all. I think you can go through all this one and try to solve it, and whichever is difficult for you, you please try to ask me in the classes, but you must try it to solve the problems for yourself. Wherever it is difficult for you, you please consult me. Thank you for listening today.